put the radiator in the back. Adam and Dan made like a drawing for a shroud that should push all the hot air out of the car and away from me so I can stay cool in the car while racing.
We're about to start cutting this bad boy out, and there were some technical difficulties with some equipment.
I'm thinking about the turbo snail. So fast. Super fast. Let's form that thing and put it on a 90 and get the nighttime check ready.
Woo! My job's done.
Everyone look busy! I haven't had the camera! Everyone look busy! So busy! Super busy! Camera guys here! Everyone look busy! The helmet from Spaceballs. I am your father!
Hi, Evan. I like your haircut. Must be nice to have hair that you can cut.
So this is our 2011 Subaru STI shop car. We got a bunch of different products coming out for this. Today's motor extraction day. Start tear down and clean up on the engine. Do a small build on it, pistons, head studs, good head gaskets. We're gonna probably keep a small turbo on it. Eventually this car will probably be used in some time attack events. We're probably gonna try and push right around the 400 wheel horsepower. Be a fun build.
Use your big muscles, Jeff.
And should be a blast to go out and turn some laps. Okay, go up, as fast as you can. Call.
Subaru mating call.
Yeah, he put everything apart and now he doesn't know how to put it back together. He's confused.
And a finger trick.
Most important part of the whole thing. We got everything assembled. We reversed the intake since we're going to have a front mount intercooler. That's about it. Everything else, kind of doing a little bit of a budget build on this, so everything else kind of stayed the same. So we're getting ready to shove this back in the car. We got a new Exetti clutch that we're going to put on here. We'll torque that on, get everything aligned, and get this thing in the car and start doing some intercooler plumbing.
Long time ago when I was a little lad, I bought a 3rd gen RX-7 FD chassis for the JDM fanboys out there. It's my engine, car stuff, my motor, finally here. Ordered in October. Supposed to be here in October. It's January now. Finally showed up and had a lot of fun with it. Made a lot of noises, shot a lot of flames, and eventually it broke, as do most things. And after that, I ended up joining the military and going down a different path in life and never got around to putting it back together. So I've been dragging around this chassis all over the nation, moving from here to there. And finally it's all coming together and she'll be running again, making all the sweet rotary rap sounds. It's gonna be a good summer.
Don't touch all the holes.
Finger banging it.
Handle her with care.